All the questions on how I do this modeling spa-like mask at home by myself. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it step by step. First, obviously, you got to get the modeling mask powder. I got this on Amazon and there's like so many different varieties. I just got the standard collagen one and it looks like this inside. You're going to need like a small mixing bowl and I'm going to do like some heavy scoops. Trust me, you need a lot to do a thick layer to cover your whole face. Now you can just add water. That's like the standard way, but you know I like to boost my things. So I'm going to add some essence into it for half of it. And I know this is like pouring expensive essence into it, so just use whatever you want to. I'm gonna pour the rest, soak it in water. Now you're just going to mix until it becomes kind of like a gooey texture. I learned this from a Korean spa because they love doing their modeling mask to boost it even more. They would add some like serums and stuff. So I like adding some peptides into this mixture, an extra boost into it. And if you want it to be more, if you have really dry skin, then you can also add some oil. So I'm gonna add like a few drops of oil into this. This is the boosted mixture and we're going to apply it fully on our face. This is going to be so lovely because it's boosted with a lovely essence. We have some peptides in here. We have some radiance oil. So not only is it just like a modeling mask, but it's a supercharged mask. You want to make it as thick as possible so it's easier to get off after like 30 minutes. See you in 30 minutes. I'm taking it off now and oh my god, my skin is so soft. It's probably because of all the hydration that was on it. Obviously a lot more work than your typical sheet mask or mask. So I only do this like once in like 2-3 weeks, but let me tell you, when I do it, my skin is just so soft. And I promise you, if you do this, your skin is going to be glowing for days.